concealing my lid, and then I'm gonna go in with some setting powder and just pat that in. When you set the concealer, you're making sure you don't have creases and things like that. I like to use my fingers because you can get into the nooks and crannies. We're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna use this green color called Enchanted. To apply that, I'm using a crease brush by Morphe. It's the M330 brush. And from the outer eye, I'm going to slowly stroke it into the inner corner, making sure most of the product is on the outer. Just keep blending, make sure it's blended out. You don't want harsh lines on the top of your eyeshadow or even going into the other shade. You don't want it to look so obvious. You want it to blend in seamlessly. Once you're done with that, using the same palette, we're going to place Jada on our lid. Okay, and I'm just using an off-brand eyelid pencil, and I'm going to just pat that in. Once you have that applied, use the same brush and what we have left on it of that first shade, and we're just gonna blend around that blue. You can never blend too much, so don't put a time limit on it. Okay. And to deepen that top color that we have, I'm gonna place Soda Pop, this shade right here, on top of that. I'm just gonna pat that in and use the same technique that we use to apply the Enchanted. So I'm gonna pat that in, then I'm gonna swipe it. I'm extending my eyeshadow a little past my eye. That way, when I go in and do my concealer, I can get that clean cut. Now that's done. The glitter, the adhesive that I'm using is this glitter primer by NYX. And you don't need that much. And I'm just gonna pat that on my lid in the middle. Okay, and then once you do that, you can grab any glitter of your choice. Glitter is called Dolphin Tale. And I'm just gonna use a flat brush and apply that to where I put the glitter primer. I'm gonna line my eye with the NYX Vivid Bright in the color Vivid Violet. Not that good at lining my eyes, so I start with the end and I try to create the tail first. I'm gonna use this eyeliner pencil that I got from Walgreens. I'm just gonna line the bottom of my eye. Lastly, using the NYX Vivid Bright, I'm going to line my eye near the inside. Okay, I'm going to apply my lashes, finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back with the finished look. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I have to switch up the wig.